Greetings everyone, it's Patrick Oborn, co-founder of Teleris. I'm here in our Sandy headquarters, joined by a very special guest, Cheryl DePriest. She is the Director of Channels at CyberReef Solutions. Again, not a surf spot where y'all go surfing. It is a very, very cool mobility management provider. Welcome, Cheryl.
Thank you.
Excited to have you.
Thanks so much.
So when I'm talking to agents and I talk strategy, one of the things I point out is I tell them if you're not talking to your customers about CyberReef Solutions, you're missing out. And here's this important strategy, and I want you to tell us how you fit in. Number one, customers, it's hard to find budget. The agent's typical play back in the day was, I'm going to save you money on X so you can spend money on Y. Mm-hmm. And whether the new thing is a cloud transformation to unified communications or SD-WAN type of a network, those areas of savings has really become pretty hard to find. But there is a big fat piggy bank of cash inside every customer. Tell us where that piggy bank is.
That piggy bank is in their data. Our secure bandwidth manager.
And their mobile data, right?
And their mobility data.
Spend.
Yep, their mobility
Anybody
spend.
ever have a big Verizon bill, a big AT&T
Yes.
bill? I mean, those
Yes.
things are fat and juicy.
Yes, and I can prove it actually, which is great. I'm not just gonna tell your customer that. I can actually show it to them by giving them 100% visibility. So our secure bandwidth manager, what it does is it allows you to control your mobile data spend. It allows you to reduce your mobile data spend, specifically by looking at a report that's going to show you exactly how your data spend is being used. And then you decide, based upon what's right for your company, which of those things you want to block. And then immediately you're going to see those savings based upon those blocks. What we have seen is Secure Bandwidth Manager costs $5 a device per month, and what we have seen is savings about $10 to $12 per month. Immediate savings.
So you spend 5 to save 12.
Yeah, fun equation, isn't it?
And that again, it's from the massive amounts of data overages that companies pay because they see it happening, but they have no ability to do anything about it except just pay the bill.
That's correct.
Right? Or try to optimize the plan, but there's only so much optimization you can do. Mm-hmm. Eventually, you just need to take someone who watches YouTube a lot and block YouTube.
Yes,
right?
exactly. And we're giving you the analytics to make smart decisions. You're not making decisions based on trend in the industry. You're looking at your users' actual behavior, and you're making your decisions on filtering based on those behaviors.
So here's the second question. People are like, well, how can you block YouTube and cut the data down? Do you send out new SIM cards? Like, how does that work? I mean, according to my understanding, you're actually recording the SIM card number and putting it into the system so that when AT&T receives the traffic, it routes it right to you before it goes to the internet, before it goes to YouTube. So basically, all their mobile traffic is now running through your private network. Is that correct?
That is correct, and that's where our toolkit comes into play. That's where we take the data, and based upon your custom filtering decisions, we make all of those changes there, and then we send it out from there.
So that routing traffic back through your backbone, it's essential because number one, it allows you to block non-mission critical data applications. Number two, it makes it so that all of your devices are now internal IP addresses, not public IP addresses, and having mobile devices everywhere. And they may not be phones, right? They may be ATM machines, they may be POS systems, whatever. Those IP addresses now cannot be discovered by bad guys. And number three, on the new continuity product that you guys have, right?
Yes.
You can also ensure that only business critical applications are coming through in the case of emergency so they don't get sticker shock if they ever do fail over.
That's correct. We use that same filtering during failover, and that's how we can offer such an affordable option for filtering.
And that's your Uptime Plus, right?
That's our Uptime Plus.
$20 a month. Your stuff will never go down. Sorry, I added 5 cents.
Oh.
That's awesome. So between the VPN aspect, but the secure bandwidth, I mean, making sure people are not using unauthorized and bandwidth hungry applications, and then lastly the Uptime Plus. I mean, 3 critical products that agents, and they're easy to talk to about partner because you don't need to really understand their mobile plan that much.
Correct.
All you have to understand is they're paying too much. And this is a way that you can simplify their life, give them visibility, and save them money that they can spend on other things that will pay them. Oh, that's fantastic.
We open up money to buy additional IT services, yes.
That's awesome. Well, Cheryl, thank you for coming to visit us today. This has been a fantastic conversation. Again, super strategic for an agent to be working with CyberReef. Thanks for everyone for watching today. If you want to learn more about CyberReef, please give us a call. We'd be happy to put you in touch with your CyberReef channel manager. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Patrick. Take care, everybody. Talk to you later.